De La Salle University fighting to stay alive, and they're also fighting to keep their 17-game win streak alive as well. They're already down 2-1 here. And Coach Ramil looking dead serious in that huddle.
They really need to get this set, obviously. And so far, they have lessened their service errors considerably here in this fourth set. They've been more aggressive in their attacks, and they really have improved their defense, especially with Going taking charge as a libero. So really, De La Salle should continue the way they're playing right now. They're definitely in control of this set.
This is going to be a free ball for the Lady Spikers. Esperanza. Maraño wanted that one. She clapped her hands once, and as if to tell Esperanza to give the ball to me, set it up for me. Getting that running spike. Ooh! And this is a huge momentum swing for La Salle. Ortiz caught napping there. Micah Irene Reyes able to get that service ace for the Lady Spikers. Di makulangan. It's a back set for Banaticla. Gallant save there by La Salle. Ortiz running hit. Di makulangan gives it back to Maru.
That one did not go over. That was hit the tape. Now De La Salle pulling away. They're up by 5 points.
This is a huge opportunity for De La Salle University, and like you mentioned a while ago, La Salle may have the edge if we go into a deciding 5th set. Ortiz with all her might, but a double block stopping that one. Maraño and Cruz, easy does it for Cha.
Great play from Cha Cruz again. Seeing that the double block was set up, hindi niya na pinilit. She just tipped it over and still got that point.
Hindi makapuntos yan. Kanina pa, paluin mo. Bumablock ka, may coverage. Mas okay pa sa akin, i-over mo lang ng ganyan kasi ginaganyan mo.
Nakasabuhangin mo.
Okay, i-offset nyo, wala siyang atake. Bawiin nyo, dumipensa kayo, rumisip kayo. Hindi na maka-atake, lumaka.
Right, Coach Oji Mamon close to losing his voice already. But as he was telling Maru Banaticla, you know, yung mga off-speed mong ganon, yung mga pa-top speed lang, it's never gonna score a point against a De La Salle squad. You gotta give it more than that, no? So huwag ka matakot pumalo. Don't worry, if you get blocked, we have coverage. That's gonna help you out. So, yun ang sinasabi niya, trying to give Maru more confidence.
Speaking of confidence, Micah Ortiz showing just that. Pounding it off that De La Salle block.
Another good thing that Coach Oji Mamon mentioned was that if you're not performing well in an aspect of the game, let's say you're spiking, bawiin mo sa depensa ka bumawi. If you're not doing well in defense, bawiin mo sa iba, like in blocking or in serving. So there's always something that you can, you know, adjust to or improve rather than be pulled down with what you're doing wrong. So good point there from Coach Mamon.
Maru Banaticla to serve here for UST. They're on a 2-0 run. Will it continue for them? They were down 20-14. Esperanza. Cruz going, oh. Ingrid Reyes was a little bit tentative there because Karaman was actually ready to dig that one up, but Reyes with a touch, changing the trajectory of that ball. Here's the captain, Cha Cruz. 21-16 in favor of La Salle. Dimakulangan to Ortiz. And that's a point for the Tigresses.
Again, Ortiz connecting with that running spike.
But Ortiz looks a little bit winded. And let's see, the fatigue factor could be setting in here. We did share with you guys a while ago that both these teams didn't really have much of a holiday break, still practicing. Now LaSalle trying to secure this crucial fourth set. Coach Ogie Mamon calls for time.
Bad ka huminto. Okay. Resiban nyo. Maka-atake tayo. Hanggat hindi nag-25 yan, kumuha kayo ng puntos. Okay? One good receive, isang atake, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung coverage. Ha? Bakit pa pinasok dyan, ilang tatrabahuin mo, umatake. Ha? Mag-block.
Coach Ogie Mamon just telling his girls not to give up.
That's right. Don't give away the set. They're down by 5. We've seen it happen before. And that's the final timeout of Coach Mamon.
Michelle Gumabao of De La Salle University trying to close this set out. Cha Cruz pops it up for LaSalle. Esperanza, it's a back set to Maraño. Dimakulangan to Ortiz. That's a touch. Point for UST.
That's a net touch on Maraño. And sayang, because yung palo ni Ortiz was really flying to the outside. But because of that net violation by Maraño, yung puntos pumunta dito sa UST. Amar being brought in to replace Ortiz to serve.
And this is surprising considering that Amar has not played here the entire game, and Amar was not there to cover that ball from the back row. Very sharp serve there by Abby Maraño.
Great serve from Abby. And it looks like we're headed to a 5th here, Anton.
Coach Mamon, no more timeouts. LaSalle showing the heart of a true champion.
Yes.
Coming back here, but service error there.
Well, I guess it's okay. They're on top by 5.
So LaSalle with an opportunity to shut the door, leaving it slightly open for UST. And just like what Coach Mamon told his girls a while ago, don't stop playing until the score of LaSalle reaches 25. But they're going to have to be perfect from here on out. Esperanza gets it to Reyes. And they will get set number 4 as well. UST had a great opportunity to do what they have not done in almost 2 years, and that is to beat LaSalle. They still have one more chance, because when we return, we go to a deciding set number 5. Keep it right here on Studio 23.